Three ways companies benefit when employees work from home. Due to the current crisis, many organizations have had to suddenly have their employees working from home, and this has caused disruption, consternation, frustration, chaos. It has really messed things up for a lot of organizations. However, there is a silver lining in this. There is definitely a silver lining when it comes to this work from home policy for organizations, yet many of them don't think about this. Number one, it generates cost savings for the company. Yes, capture this cost savings. This works its way back to the income statement and EBITDA. Check out the administrative cost line on your income statement. When it comes to energy usage, when it comes to cleaning services, janitorial, and maybe even those monthly payments for your commercial lease that you pay, those are all costs that could and perhaps should go down over the long haul. This will generate cost savings back to EBITDA. Number two is productivity, and this impacts your labor cost line on the income statement. And this is absolutely huge because the average employee has around a 30-minute commute each way every day. So you're basically freeing up an hour of work time for an employee during their day. Now it's up to you as a leader to talk to them about your expectations and how they can better utilize this time. But this can be a huge productivity driver. It can generate more results for the organization. It can be used even to generate top line revenue if they're using that for sales purposes and checking in on their accounts and making sure that you're cementing those relationships with those clients. And the third huge benefit for organizations is resilience. And I'm surprised that more leaders aren't talking about this, but this work from home situation that you've got going now is also a training ground for future situations. Perhaps you have a hurricane or you have a natural disaster or some other huge disruption where people need to work from home. Now you're implementing your systems, you're figuring this process out, and you're establishing a more resilient culture to withstand this kind of disruption in the future. And it's going to be less disruptive in the future because you're going through it now and you're preparing. So cost savings, productivity, and resilience, go consider these as a silver lining for this COVID crisis and use it in your planning as you go forward as an organization.